Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. A factorial is a mathematical function that multiplies a given number by every positive integer less than or equal to it. It is often denoted with an exclamation mark, such as 5, which means 5 factorial and is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 equals 120. In Python, you can easily compute the factorial of a number using a recursive or iterative function. In this tutorial, we will explore both methods and provide code examples for each. Recursive functions are functions that call themselves to solve a smaller subproblem. For computing factorials, you can use a recursive approach. Here's how you can create a recursive factorial function in Python. In this function, let's see an example of how to use this function to calculate the factorial of a number. Iterative functions use loops to solve a problem, and they are often more efficient than recursive functions. Here's how you can create an iterative factorial function in Python. In this function, let's see an example of how to use this function to calculate the factorial of a number. Both the recursive and iterative approaches can calculate factorials effectively. However, there are some differences to consider when choosing which one to use. In most practical cases, using the iterative approach is recommended. It is both more efficient and less likely to cause errors for large values of n. Understanding and implementing a factorial function in Python is a fundamental skill for any programmer. Whether you choose a recursive or iterative approach, you can easily calculate factorials for various values. Factorials have applications in many areas of mathematics and computer science, including combinatorics, permutations, and probability calculations. ChatGPT.